In this video, we're going to talk about Day One app, which is a really nice app that lets you create a diary basically, and it's used for journaling, and it's gonna create a journal of your day basically. So you can keep a diary. You can use this in downloading from the App Store or from the Mac App Store, and you can also use it in Android. So right now I am using Android and I'm searching for Day One. That's the Day One journal app right there. So I'm gonna click here and I'm going to install it. Okay, while this is installed, we can use the web app. It's basically the same. So you can you can check here the pricing as well. You have also a free 7-day trial, but you can still use the basic. So you can just keep one journal and use it only on one device and only one photo per entry, and all this other stuff here that you can check. Or you can go premium for just $3 a month, so not so expensive. Okay, so you can get the app also from here and use it on your tablet or your smartphone, and that's basically it. So we can't do anything more here on the web. We can just see some screenshots here on how it works and how it looks like on PC, on the, well, this is not PC, sorry, on Mac, on smartphone or iPhone, and on the smartwatch. Okay, but I guess this is gonna also make its appearance on Android apps. Okay, you can see here how it looks. So it's like a diary with pages and images and like thoughts or phrases that you want to keep, and you have all these editing tools, and that's it. And you can share it with other people. Okay, so let's see how the app looks like. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna expand this, and that's my Day One app. Okay, capture, relive nice moments, repeats. Okay, and that's it. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, looks like pretty clear and simple, neat, and I can probably press on the plus here and I'm gonna give them my location, and this is the day of today and the place where I'm at, and I can write I don't know, this is a really nice day. Okay, that's gonna be my thoughts for the day. And if I'm traveling, probably it's cool to have also an address here. You can click on the little pen here to modify this. Also, I can add tags or search tags, and again I can search places, and I can also add some pictures here from the camera or photo library. Let's go to the last photo taken. Let's see what. Oh, I have just a QR code, but that's okay. And do I want to use the photo time? Okay, I say yes. And that's my first entry basically. So if I go back here, now I have my, okay, this is my Day One basically. And well, this picture here is from Thursday, so it's gonna give me the date and the time and the place and everything else. So it's like keeping a journal basically, but really easy and really fast. It's similar to other apps probably where you can write and publish your stories like Wattpad. So let me show you real quick what Wattpad is. So if you go in the channel here, in our channel, you can type Wattpad and you can find it. You can find a video guide about Wattpad. Now be careful because there is one in English and one in Italian, but also we can get directly here to the website, and this is Wattpad. So it's basically an application and a website where you can write your stories, read other people's stories and share it. And you know, maybe if you're lucky, your story is gonna be noted by some, I don't know, Hollywood producer or something like that. And you can maybe build a career out of your writings. So it's similar, you know, you can insert an image with the picture there. It's like Instagram, but you can also, I think, write more words. So comparing this one to Instagram or Twitter, you are probably given more space to publish a lot of words and pictures. So you can click on the plus icon if you just want to start to write, you don't want to put any picture, or you can click on the picture there, add a picture and also a text. And also down below here you have the possibility to watch this in many different formats. This is kind of list page, this is the image way to see it, and this is a kind of map of your journey. If you are doing a journey, it's kind of cool to keep all tracking over your movements, and also the calendar here. So I think it's a really nice app for travelers and people who like to keep a journey, keep track of their movements, what they do, what they see, what they like, and so on. And also here you can see I didn't even sign in, so I guess you will have to create an account here. And well, I can sign up with a Day One account or a Google account, but in this case I want to create a Day One account, and then you can insert here your email, and then you can start to use this on more devices if you use the premium version and not the free one, the standard one. And I think that's basically it here. Again, you have other tags, places, favorites, other stuff here in the hamburger menu at the top, and pretty easy. And you can some settings here. Yeah, so you get your account status, you're synchronizing if you are using more devices, and that's basically it. You have the other things here. Let's use this import export. Okay, so we can import and export, I think, journals here and date range. So let's try to export this one. Let's try to export a journal, but doesn't say where to export, or maybe here. Okay, export PDF. Okay, then I can save my diary here. Day one, nice. It has all the layout already, so it looks like a book. And this is a PDF. I can download it and then I can print it. There's my picture there. It's really sad picture. It doesn't have anything nice in it, but just to create an example for you. And I think, well, you can figure out the rest by yourself. This is just an introductory guide for you guys who are interested in this app. We just tested for you. Now, if you like this video, if you like the videos that we do, please support us with the join button here in the YouTube channel. And also please check our other videos, which are about not only smartphone apps, but also web apps or software, 3D modeling, 3D rendering, graphic design, financing, and many, many more topics you will find here, games, entertainment, and so on. If you want to support us, you can do it also in the About page with these links. If you're interested in these services and you use these links, you will support us, and contemporary, you will get rewarded with a small bonus if you are using those services, or if you want to use them. If you are curious, try these links here and see if you find something that you like. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video guide.